Hi friend, how are you today? Today's video is an unboxing. I'm super excited about it. I've wanted this item for so long. And you really can't get it on the website anymore. You have to go to the Preloved market to find it. And sometimes it'll be dropped, I think, because I've seen a few videos of people actually finding it on the website, but I think it's very few and far between and very iffy. You don't know if you're actually going to be able to find it. So I follow a company, it's a small business on Instagram. It's called Luxury Lady Little Rock, and I will link all of her information down below. It's Katie Beth who owns it, and she sells pre-loved luxury items. I've seen Gucci, Louis Vuitton, David Yurman, Hermes, Chanel, lots of brands, and she has a website that I think they just launched the website, but also on Mondays they do like a lunchtime Monday live sale on Instagram, and it's so much fun. She shows the bag or the SLG or whatever it is, she, shows all around the item and then gives you the price. If you want it, you just comment and then they'll send you an invoice and they send it to you. Now, I purchased one thing from them. I actually don't have it in here, but it's a little pill case, and it's made with like a repurposed Louis Vuitton bag, the monogram. It's super cute. It's just a little pill case with a Louis Vuitton canvas on the top. But this purchase is a bigger purchase. Like I said, it's something that I wanted, and I was really happy because when I opened the box, it's really nicely packaged, and y'all know how I feel about that. So let me show you everything that came in the box, the mailing box. So we have this certificate of authenticity. So she authenticates her items, which is awesome. So she has it filled in, everything about it here, and my name, and then Luxury Lady LLC, so it's coming from them. And on the back it gives you some bag care tips, so that's really cool. But it's really nice to have this certificate of authenticity that I can keep with it. Also, she sent a thank you note. I love getting thank you notes, and it's something that I teach in my business writing classes because it's so important to do, I feel like. So she sent just this little thank you note, which is really, really nice, and inside is their card. She just says, "Jennifer, thank you for your Luxury Lady purchase. I hope you enjoy your item and shop with us again soon. I really appreciate your support of my small business. Sincerely, Katie Beth." Super sweet and appreciated. All right, it came wrapped in pink tissue, which you can kind of see through there what it is. It did come with a box. I don't think it has the dust bag. I kind of opened it up, peek at it, but I actually didn't open it yet. This is a true unboxing for me. So the box is a little dented, but I don't care. It's fine. And it's one of the pull boxes. Can you guess? So here it is. It is the Louis Vuitton mini pochette. Oh my gosh. And the little chain is here. Let me zip it back up there. I am so excited to get this. No smells on it. Nope, no smells. The inside looks good. And this one is, oh, this one's made in France. See, I didn't know. That's not something that they usually talk about on their lives. They'll answer you, like if you send them a message, she'll let you know. Like if you ask specifically for the date code or if it's made in France or the US, I think she'll let you know because I've asked her about one other bag. And then the date code is in there. I can't see it, but I do know she wrote the information on here. So I do know it's SF3193. So made in France, and then 39th week of 13. All of the corners look really good. Yeah, all the hardware looks good. Oh my gosh, I'm just so excited to finally have this in my collection. And by the way, it was a really good price. A really good price. I think way cheaper than what you can find it in other places, but that's why I snatched it up. So I'm so excited to have this bag. Now this video is not sponsored. Katie Beth doesn't even know that I make videos. She probably doesn't even know who I am, and that's fine. I'm not doing it for that. I'm just really excited about getting this bag, and I think it's important to support small businesses like she wrote in her note. So I'm happy that I was able to do that by purchasing this from her. Even though it's not brand new, I don't care about that. I'm just really happy to have it and can't wait to move into it. So like I said, I will leave all of her information down below so you can check her out on Instagram and on her new website if you want. This is a short video. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you're having a great day, and I will talk to you soon. Bye.